Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make mincemeat kebab. Very yummy, very tasty, and I've added the ingredients in the description box. And let's get started. I've taken 2 pounds of mincemeat. I have dried it up so there's no water in it. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste or crushed, 2 green chillies which I have chopped in small, salt to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coriander or cilantro leaves, and I have taken half an onion and I have chopped it small, and we are going to squeeze all the juice out of it because we don't want it watery. Add the squeezed onions to the minced meat. Now let's mix everything together. After mixing, we are going to keep it inside the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. I've finished mixing it now, and we are going to keep it inside the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours inside the refrigerator, I just took it out. Now all my meat is like mixed together. So I'm just gonna take a bunch like this. Then we're going to place the skewer like this, and we're going to bring it down. Now I have evenly spread the meat onto the skewer like this, and then we are going to place it onto a pan. Now we are going to continue with all the rest of the skewers. Now I have finished rolling up my kebab. Now we are going to put it inside the oven on a temperature of 375 degrees or 190 degrees Celsius. After 45 minutes, now my kebab is well cooked, and while it was 20 minutes, I just turned it on the other side so that it cooks evenly. Now let's take it out. It smells amazing in here. Now let's try the recipe. I've taken some coriander chutney. I added the link of coriander chutney in my description box. Let's try it. It's so good and delicious, and the kebab goes well with chapati, naan, or even rice. So if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.